I'm going out for shopping. Tomorrow we're planning to go for camping, so I need to buy some winter clothes. Yeah, I don't know how to braid my hairs, but I'm trying. Yes. Let's go.
So we are done shopping. You know how much this cost? It cost us like more than 50,000, right?
Yes.
So therefore, let's go.
Bora. Shabe. Hey guys, so we are almost ready to go out. I mean, for the camping. It's already 5:30. Actually, we was planning to go 5, but we woke up so late. And yeah, I'm wearing this jacket. I'm so excited. Let me show you. We're getting ready for tomorrow camping. We are going in the mountain for camping. So these are the stuff. We will be moving around 4 a.m. That's our car. Woohoo. And this is my friend, my Korean friend. So let's go. So hey guys, we are on our way, and make sure you watch this vlog till the end. Yay. Hey guys, so we are going over there. You can see, yeah. So our journey started. Now it will take more than 7 hours. Okay. Guys, it's good to go beach. I want to go and club. Yeah. Not safe here. Guys, just look at this waterfall. Hey guys, so we already reached our destination. Actually, we were supposed to go in the mountain, but there was some problem. क्योंकि ना हम लोग actually अभी नेपाल already cross होकर आ चुके हैं. We traveled more than 6 hours and our SIM was also not working. तो हम लोग ने नया SIM ले लिया था because जो location हम लोग ढूंढा था वो नहीं मिल रहा. तो we have to buy new SIM since our SIM card was not working. And yeah, we was planning to go in the mountain, but हम लोग को गाड़ी नहीं जा पा रहे. And yeah, and it seems that we will take more than 2 days, so we plan to cancel. And we are here in the waterfall. We are here. So let me show you. So we are here in the Cheda waterfall, which is 6 hours from Nepal. We already crossed the Nepal border. So yeah, we are here, and yeah, you can see. And we are going to make our tent over here. That's our car. I think we are going to make our tent over here for tonight. And you see, it's very beautiful. हम लोग ने पहले प्लानिंग किया था कि हम लोग माउंटेन में जाएगा जो स्नो वगैरह मतलब कि आइस वगैरह होगा, बट इट सीम्स दैट वी कैन नॉट गो देयर क्योंकि ना उसमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, हम लोग का कार ही नहीं जा पाएगा और हम लोग ने बहुत सामान है हम लोग के पास, टेंट है, बहुत खाने पीने का बहुत सामान है, हम लोग वो कैरी नहीं कर सकते एंड बाय वॉक इट विल टेक मोर देन 2 days, so we cancel the plan and yeah we are here. So we already bought our SIM card for tonight and yeah we are going to make the tent here, so I'll show you one time once we make the tent. No, so I'm super hungry and it's raining. Wow. So some of my friends went up to cut trees and it's raining. Wow, just look at this. Look at the view. Here is our den. That's for my friend. This is mine. So here we go. This is our den. This is for my friend. Mine. Guys, so we are done with our den. So now we are cooking. We are going to make barbecue and some rice. Yeah, some yummy food. So we are going to cook and yeah, that's all. So let me know in the comment section कि आपको ये लोकेशन कैसा लगा. आई होप मेरा आवाज़ आ रहा है क्योंकि ये ना वाटरफॉल का पानी ना बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ आवाज़ आ रहा है. It's 5:30 a.m. We woke up so fast since it's raining and we could not sleep. morning breakfast. Yeah, morning breakfast. My rice. This is my bed. There was a water leakage inside the corner, so I woke up like around 5 a.m. and make fire. So this is it. Yeah, so I'm going to have my breakfast. Just now I make some ramen, so I'm going to eat that and I'm going to leave. Guys, so we are almost ready to go home now. Everything is set. I'm going to miss this place. Bye bye.